Subscribe our channel for more learning videos.
Hey there! Welcome to the Freddy's farm. Today I'm going to collect the fruits from the trees.
Great!
Let's collect the apples first. I already have 4 apples in the basket. I'll pluck 2 more apples. How many apples are there altogether?
Yes!
4 add 2 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. Now I am adding 2 more in the basket. How many apples are there in the basket? 6 add 2 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 apples in the basket. Now it's time to collect the oranges. There are 5 oranges on a tree and 2 oranges on the other. How many oranges are there in total? 5 add 2 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are total 7 oranges. See, there are 3 more oranges on another tree. Let's count all the oranges I have today. 7 add 3 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 oranges in all. Can you see the pears tree there? There are 3 trees in a row.
Yeah!
Each of the tree has 3 pears on it. Shall we count all the pears?
Let's go!
3 pears on the first tree. Let's add 3 pears more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are 6 pears. Shall we add 3 pears of the last tree? 6 add 3 more pears makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are total 9 pears. Thank you for helping me in my fruit farm today. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching!